Kraft Heinz, a legacy brand in turmoil. In the bustling world of consumer goods, few names carry the weight and recognition of Kraft Heinz. This iconic brand has been a staple in American households for generations. But today, this food giant finds itself in unfamiliar territory. The company's stock is plummeting, sending shockwaves through the financial markets. The recent nosedive in Kraft Heinz's stock price has left investors and analysts scrambling for answers. The question on everyone's mind is simple: what's happening to this American food behemoth? Join me as we navigate through the turbulent waters of stock market trends, investor sentiment, and the future of one of America's most recognizable brands. The story of Kraft Heinz serves as a cautionary tale in the ever-evolving world of finance and consumer goods. In the world of stock trading, certain terms carry an almost mythical weight. The death cross is one such term. Despite its ominous name, it's not a supernatural occurrence. It's a technical indicator used by traders and analysts to predict potential downturns in a stock's performance. Financial analyst. At its core, a death cross occurs when a stock's short-term moving average crosses below its long-term moving average. In most cases, this means the 50-day moving average dips below the 200-day moving average. This intersection creates a cross-like pattern on stock charts, hence the name. The death part comes from its reputation as a harbinger of prolonged bearish trends. Traders view the death cross as a significant bearish signal. It suggests that short-term momentum is slowing down and potentially reversing. However, it's important to note that while the death cross is a powerful indicator, it's not infallible. Kraft Heinz's recent stock performance has been nothing short of alarming. The company's shares have been on a downward spiral, catching many investors off guard. This decline isn't just a minor blip on the radar, it's a sustained trend that has culminated in the dreaded death cross. Market reporter, let's look at the numbers. Over the past month, Kraft Heinz's stock has plummeted by over 15%. This sharp decline has pushed the 50-day moving average below the 200-day moving average, triggering the death cross. The current situation paints a picture of a company struggling to maintain its footing in a rapidly changing market. Historical context adds another layer to this story. Kraft Heinz isn't a stranger to financial challenges. The current death cross seems to be a continuation of these underlying issues. The appearance of a death cross in Kraft Heinz's stock chart sends ripples far beyond the trading floor. For investors, it's a stark warning sign. Those who have held Kraft Heinz stock for its historically stable performance and dividend yield are now faced with a difficult decision. Economist. For the company itself, the implications are equally serious. A plummeting stock price isn't just a number on a screen. It affects Kraft Heinz's ability to raise capital, pursue acquisitions, and retain top talent. The death cross also impacts Kraft Heinz's brand perception. Consumers may start to question the company's stability and future prospects. The company now faces an uphill battle to regain investor confidence and stabilize its stock price. Section 5. Looking ahead. Kraft Heinz's path to recovery. Despite the gloomy outlook painted by the death cross, all is not lost for Kraft Heinz. The company still has significant strengths it can leverage to stage a comeback.
The challenge now is to adapt these brands to changing consumer preferences and market dynamics. One potential path forward is innovation. Kraft Heinz needs to demonstrate that it can create new products that resonate with modern consumers.
This could mean healthier versions of classic products or entirely new offerings that tap into current food trends.
Another crucial area for Kraft Heinz to focus on is digital transformation. The pandemic has accelerated the shift towards e-commerce in the food industry.
However, it's crucial that these cost-cutting measures don't come at the expense of innovation and brand building. Kraft Heinz's path to recovery will require a delicate balancing act between efficiency and growth. Section 6. Investors' Playbook: Navigating the Kraft Heinz Storm. For investors, the Kraft Heinz situation presents both risks and opportunities.
The appearance of a death cross doesn't necessarily mean it's time to sell, but it does warrant a thorough review of your investment thesis. Has anything fundamentally changed about Kraft Heinz's business prospects? Or is this a temporary setback that the company can overcome?
For those considering buying Kraft Heinz stock, the current situation could present a potential entry point. However, it's crucial to approach with caution.
Dollar cost averaging, spreading out your purchases over time, could be a prudent strategy in this situation. Diversification is another key consideration.
Investors should ensure their portfolios are well diversified across different sectors and asset classes. This can help mitigate the impact of a single stock's poor performance on your overall portfolio. Section 7. Stay informed. The power of financial literacy. The Kraft Heinz situation serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of financial literacy. Understanding concepts like the death cross can help you make more informed investment decisions.
It's crucial to stay updated on financial news and market trends. This knowledge empowers you to interpret market signals and make decisions based on facts rather than emotions.
Financial news websites, investment blogs, and educational platforms offer a wealth of information.
Remember, the financial world is constantly evolving, and staying informed is key to successful investing.
However, it's important to use these indicators as part of a broader analysis, not as standalone decision-making tools. Combine technical analysis with fundamental analysis and an understanding of broader economic trends for a more comprehensive view.
Lastly, consider seeking professional advice if you're unsure about your investment strategy.
Section 8. Your next steps, keeping tabs on Kraft Heinz. As we conclude our deep dive into Kraft Heinz's financial situation, it's clear that this is a developing story. The appearance of the death cross is a significant event, but it's not the end of the road. What happens next will depend on how Kraft Heinz responds to these challenges and how the market reacts to their efforts. For those interested in following this story, there are several key areas to watch. Keep an eye on Kraft Heinz's quarterly earnings reports. These will provide insights into how the company is performing financially and whether their turnaround efforts are bearing fruit. Pay attention to any announcements about new product launches or strategic initiatives. Also, monitor analyst reports and recommendations. Financial analysts who cover Kraft Heinz will be closely watching the company's performance and providing their insights.